In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a robot arm animation with an armature. I'll use the current model as a reference image to create a matching set of meshes. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need 8 vertices. Shift-Z to wireframe view. Shift-D to duplicate, and Z to move it up. S to scale. Shift-select both mesh circles, and Ctrl-J to join them. In edit mode, type 2 to edge select, A to select all, and Ctrl-East to bridge edge loop them. Alt-select the top edge loop, and F to fill. Please fill the bottom edge loop as well. Let's create a cylinder. S to scale. S and Z to scale on the Z axis. We need to create a cube. Ctrl-3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Ctrl-R to place a loop cut. Ctrl-R to place a loop cut. Mouse wheel up to add one more loop cut. I was going to scale them apart, but that didn't work. Alt-select the newly created edge loops one by one, and type G twice to edge slide in order to put them close to the edge. Let's mirror this mesh. Ctrl-A to reset all transforms. Let's create a cube and scale it. Ctrl-A to reset all transforms. Tab to go to edit mode. A to select all. We need individual origins. Let's extrude the faces individually like this. Only a tiny bit. Type I as in India to extrude inward. Let's extrude along normals. We need scaled cylinders. Shift-D to duplicate. Let's create the red parts by scaling and mirroring. Shift-select both meshes and Ctrl+J to join them. The next modeling parts are going to be duplicating and placing them in the position. All compress time. The time compression ends here. Let's duplicate the cube mesh to create the claw. In edit mode, we can select the top vertices in wireframe mode, and bring them down. E to extrude, and R to rotate. The modeling part is now complete. In tomorrow's tutorial, I'll show you how to animate the mesh with an armature. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.